5 to 10 minutes a day is all it takes to complete Xcelwellness Tai Chi. In Xcelwellness Tai Chi, there are 3 sections to the complete form. Section 1, ease and relax. Section 2, cleanse and instill. Section 3, energize and empower. There are 5 posture sets in each section, making it easy to learn. In Xcelwellness Tai Chi, the style taught is derived from and the short form of the popular Yang form. In each section, the floor space required is a 2-meter span, making Xcelwellness Tai Chi able to be performed in a room, on a small lawn, anywhere really. Like a door, the body must be kept moving to prevent its hinge seizing, and Tai Chi works to condition the elements of the human frame. Tai Chi promotes greater understanding of the body's natural alignment and stance, encouraging the habit of good posture. Its movements continually turn the spine, an action that gradually repositions misplaced organs, stimulating them at the same time through an internal form of massage. Through apparently simple exercises such as standing on one leg, Tai Chi stimulates the muscle groups to work together. Continued through life, Tai Chi prevents the joints of the hips and the limbs from degenerating. Most people exercise their backs by bending forwards and backwards. We will add a third dimension by teaching you how to twist your torso gently and patiently to your limit. This twist can be effective in strengthening your back, reducing back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, and moving limp in your torso, stimulating the immune system. Stress is the trigger for a multitude of illnesses. If you feel like life's pressures are getting on top of you and you need to de-stress, then there is nothing better than Tai Chi. And as a preventative to stress build-up, daily Tai Chi makes for a great release. Change is a constant in our lives. Our lives move from chapter to chapter, part to part, and Tai Chi embodies that very thought. In Tai Chi, the interplay between change and harmony reveals itself in the changing postures and the quality of the movements. Body weight shifts from one leg to the other. Awareness moves from inside the body to outside the body. Empty changes to full. Closed changes to open. The forces work simultaneously, creating a continuous and ever-changing dance of energy.